Cats are domesticated carnivorous mammals. The scientific name for the domestic cat is Felis catus. Cats have retractable
They come in various
claws
breeds,
they use for hunting,
each with
and
unique
climbing.
characteristics.
Cats have keen senses, including exceptional night vision. The world's oldest pet cat was found in a 9,500-year-old grave in Cyprus. A group of cats is called a clouder. Cats can jump up to 6 times their body length. They communicate through body language, vocalizations,
Cats
and
have been
revered in various cultures throughout history.